Hi all, I want to do a quick video on how to format your paper using MLA format. This will be done throughout the semester, and so I just wanted to show you how to do that. You'll notice that I'm under the MLA Help tab, and the very first thing under the MLA Help tab is how to format your paper. When you click on that, you will see that there is a video and there is a PDF. So I'm going to bring up the PDF, and this is what it looks like. So this is what your paper should look like. It explains how to do it first, so don't just use, that as an example, but show, what exactly you're supposed to be doing up here. Notice that the only thing in your header is your name, your professor's name, your class name, and the date. And you will have a page number on each page with your last name, a title, which is always centered. And notice that there's only one space in between the heading and your title and the title in your first paragraph. Now I'm going to go in a Word document and actually do this right now so that you can see what you would do in your actual Word document. So once you bring it up, what you'll notice is that the default is Calibri for font. We want Times New Roman for MLA, so you want to choose Times New Roman. Your font size can be 10, 11, or 12, but you don't want to switch throughout, so just stay with the same size. The other thing you'll want to do is make sure your paper is double spaced. So always double space all of your essays. You want to go to paragraph, and then you'll notice that it's on multiple. So you'll click double, and then check this box that says don't add space between paragraphs of the same style, and then OK. The next thing you'll want to do is add page numbers. So in order to do that, you actually go to the Insert tab. So under Insert, you'll go all the way over to Page Number, top of page, and then you want plain number 3 because it's in the top right corner. You'll notice that the cursor's blinking before it, and you'll just type in your last name and a space, and then click out of it. Okay? So now we're still at the very first line of our Word document, and that's where you will type your name. Do not add your heading as a header. If you do that, it will appear on every single page, and you don't want that. So I'll type my name, and we'll make up a name for my instructor. Yours will be Professor Swanson for our class. The class name will be next. And then the date, you'll notice, is always day, month, year, okay? Whoops, not 2017 anymore, 2018. So you will have the day, the month, the year. If you want to spell out the month, that's fine. But what you'll notice in MLA is that the dates are always like this. It's always day, month, year. When you write the dates in your works cited entries, for example, they'll look just like this, where the month is shortened. There's no comma after the shortened month, just a period and the year. If you were to spell out February, there wouldn't be a comma between the month and the year. So now we're on the next line. Notice that I hit enter one time, and now I'm going to center. So this is where the title will go, okay? Now notice that I have capitalized the first letter of every important word in my title. You should do that as well. Then you will hit enter one more time, and you'll go back to left justified, and you will indent with one tab. We always indent for our paragraphs in MLA format, and this is where you start typing your essay. Okay, so that is MLA format for your paper. Page numbers you add by insert, paragraph you make double, go to the paragraph here to do that, and for the heading you make sure that it's not added as a header. Now, what you'll do for your works cited page is to make sure that you actually have it on the second page. So I'm just going to add a page break here. So this is the second page, and your works cited, you'll go back to center, and it's that very first line there, and you will title it works cited. Now, if you only have one work, then it would just be works cited, okay? And then you would hit enter once, go back to left justified, and I'm just making up a name here for an author. Your author name would go last name, comma, first name, period. If you are citing an article, then your title would go in quotes. and then the title of the publisher or website name would go next with a comma afterward. Publishers are always in italics. Then you would have the date where it was published and a comma, and then you would have the URL. I'm just making one up. And then blah, 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 whatever the link is there, you can copy it there. And that's the end of your works cited entry. So notice that if you were to go onto the next line, if it were to fall onto the next line, you would actually tab in one, so that way any subsequent line of a works cited would be tabbed in. So it starts flush left, and the second and third and subsequent lines are tabbed in. Okay, so if you have any more questions about MLA format, please do let me know. All of your essays should be turned in MLA format, so go back to this document, make sure you have everything here that you need, and go back to MLA help anytime you have questions about how to cite or how to format your paper. Thank you very much.